It's Cola and you are cooking with an old head, cooking with an old head, cooking with a old head. Now, today we are making honey garlic shrimp. Yes, get that shrimp, tiger shrimp preferably. You know what I'm saying? Don't be cheap. Don't be cheap. Get that tiger shrimp and make sure you clean that shrimp. You clean that shrimp, I cannot trust you. I don't trust people that don't clean they goddamn shrimp. A lot of y'all talk a lot of ish because y'all eat a lot of ish. And then we gotta season it with my special razzle dazzle seasoning. Yes, Cola got the seasoning and I got the sauce, alright? Season the hell out that shrimp. This will change your life. And no, we are not done with the seasoning. We got the It's All Good sprinkles. I'm telling you, you can sprinkle that on uncooked, cooked food. It takes it to another level. Get you some. Next, we're gonna get us some eggs. And yes, wash your eggs. Because if you know anything about where eggs and where the eggs are located when they come from, you're gonna want to wash those bad boys. Then we're gonna take our nice clean eggs and crack 2 of them. And they better be clean, y'all. Crack 2 of them in a bowl. There's a little shell there. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna get that out. Don't pay any attention to that. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna beat them eggs. We're gonna throw a little bit of milk in there and you're gonna beat them eggs. You understand? You're gonna treat them like Michael Jackson and just beat it. Beat the hell out them eggs like they stole something, because they about to steal your waistline with this meal. Get to beating. Now we're gonna dip the shrimp in the egg and milk mixture, you know. Then we're gonna season the flour that we're gonna put the shrimps in with the Cola James seasonings. I got a whole array of seasonings, but you can season it with the seasonings of your choice. You know, it's all good in the hood. I'm just saying. After you dip the shrimp in the seasoned flour, we're gonna dip them bad boys in the oil. You can use peanut oil, vegetable oil. That's up to you as well. But we're gonna fry the hell out of them bad boys. I don't like a weak fried shrimp. All I got to say, if you don't know what the hell this is, you don't belong in the kitchen. Good day. Now for the sauce, because you know the sauce is boss. We got the butter, real butter, not margarine. Then we put the chopped up garlic. Now we put some honey. Organic, please. And thank you. Yeah, organic raw honey. No other way. I'm sorry. Then we put some minced onions. Yes. Gotta have that. Must have that. It's a must. Yeah, shake the hell out of that. Then we got my all good seasonings again. My seasonings be coming through every time. Yes. Then we got the parsley. You gotta put the parsley in there. Dried or fresh, it really don't matter, because parsley's kind of just like a garnish, but you know. And then we have it. And then I will teach y'all how to make the cabbage salad, you know what I'm saying? Okay, now this is the part of the show where I get to be a bird. Cooking with an old head. Cooking with an old head. Now get the fuck out of here. It's Cooking with Cola.